In this section of this course, we will create this exact same t-shirt design, or you may say hoodie design, inside in Canva by simply adding few text, color and elements. These type of ugly designs are going to sell really well in print-on-demand sites like March by Amazon and Teespring. I already have created a blank document in Canva. Now at first, I just simply navigate to the text tab. Then I just simply click on this add a heading, and this time I type ugly. Okay. Now I just simply select it, and from this drop down, let's say this time I select Onton, this font, and increase the size a little bit and set it right here, and change this color from black to red. Now I add another text block, and this time I type official. Alright, and change this color from red to black. And from this drop down, this time I select font Abril Fat Face, this font. Alright, and increase the size a little bit, and after that I just place it right here and increase the size a little bit more. Perfect. Now this time I just simply add in another text block, and this time I type my, and from this drop down I just simply select Brochure, this font. Alright, and move this text and set it right here, and change the color from black to sky blue color. If you want to set any custom color in any of your element, you can easily do this by clicking on this plus icon. You can add any hex code, or using color picker you can select any color you want. Alright, now this time I will duplicate this text style. That's why I just simply select this one and click on this duplicate icon. Now I click and move it right here. This time I type sweater. Alright, and now I change this color from sky color to black color, and from this drop down, this time let's say this time I select let's say not this one. This time I will select Abril Fat Face, this one, this font. Now I increase the size a little bit, and then I just simply set it right here. Excellent. Now I duplicate this text style again, and this time I type for, and decrease the size a little bit, and now I duplicate this text style, and now I type Christmas, and from this drop down, this time I use Berkshire Swash, this font. Alright, and change this color from black to, let's say this time I use this green color, dark green color. Alright, now I set it right here, right on this position, and select everything, every element and move it to the top a little bit. Now at this time, we will add few elements to make our design more interesting. That's why I just simply navigate to the elements. And here you can see bunch of different elements. For this time, I just simply click on this line. Also, you can search for line right here. Alright. Now, if I click on see all to see all lines and shapes, then here you can see few different lines. In graphics, here you can see some different type of lines, graphical lines. Now let's say for this case, this time I use this line. Alright. Now I change this color and set the color red, not red, let's say I just simply using color picker, I just simply select this red, exact the same red color, and now I place it right here. Okay, now I duplicate this one and place it just in this position. Awesome. Now I scroll down a little bit more, and this time I choose this one, and using color picker I also change this color from black to red. Alright, and increase the size of it a little bit more and place it right here. Awesome. So our designing is now complete. In our next lecture, we will learn how easily we can export our design and change this background from white to transparent. So see you in the next one.